Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and block a user on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and after logging in it's going to look like this. So this is the home page from where we can get started browsing all the categories we can use. So you want to go ahead and log into your account if you have not already by going to the account section in the upper right corner. Go ahead and create an account if you need one. So once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. Now let's go and take a look in finding the user that we want to block. Let's say somebody is spamming you with messages, or they have multiple fake posts, and as they're scams right here and you want to report them, basically what you're going to do is open up one of the ads of that user, and now we can get started flagging them. We have the flag option right here that's going to enable us to flag this post as maybe breaking the rules, prohibited as spam, and so on. But there is no direct way to go ahead and block somebody, because as you can see, you cannot block. There is no option right here to directly block. So what you want to do is flag it and then go and send an email to Craigslist explaining what the problem is and how you can go ahead and get started reporting this user because they're breaking the rules and so on. This is the only way. There is no direct way to block anybody, and you cannot block anybody from sending you messages or from seeing their posts and so on. This is just not included as an option. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.